So hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to the preferred Hyundai Elantra 2023 model. So as you can see, in terms of design, we've completely redesigned this model. It's completely modern looking and very electric type it looks, but it's not. We have a fuel hybrid, fuel efficient engine inside, which is very fuel efficient. It helps you save cost, but it doesn't compromise on the performance that it gives out. So as you can see, the design is aerodynamically maintained, so it can give you enough speed and also the stability. So talking about the interiors, we have very rich interior seating inside. It's leather. All the seats are heated and temperature controlled completely, including the steering. And as you can see, there is a small display which is for the infotainment and all the information that we need about the car, including service checks and also the navigation and some entertainment of music system. You can also look at the back. The back is also provides a lot of space for people and enough leg room for even people who are 6 feet or above. Now going back to the boot section, as you can see, the boot has a lot of space. We can fit in a lot of items. It's good for a family, and we have enough room to put a lot of stuff in. So talking about the main aspect, the cost, it is a very cost efficient car, and we have various hybrid models and makes in this car, so we can get it in different price ranges, which offers pretty much similar features. Like I mentioned, the engine would be different, and each one is each make and model with a lot of engine variations provides different types of mileages. And we also have a diesel version, a petrol version, and also an electric version that's in the works, which is on the way and will be here soon. But as of right now, this is the preferred model in a lot of people that we sell to. And we have a lot of safety features. Like we mentioned, there are airbags all over the car, and the windshield is new Victus company design, so it's very strong. It braces for impact. It's not completely brake proof, but it will take a lot to break it. And we have side view mirrors, which also helps in the lane assist. We have the lane assist feature that's incorporated into this. And we have a lot of color variations. As you can see, this may be not that bright, but this is a blue version, a dark blue version, and we also have a red, gray, black, and a few other colors that's still up for production, and we'll get it soon into the market. So yeah, this is the brief of the preferred Hyundai Elantra model, and yeah, so thank you.